State lawmakers could be voting next week on a controversial abortion bill.
Yeah, the first draft of this strict legislation would ban abortions after a fetal heartbeat has been detected. That can be as early as 6 weeks into a pregnancy.
New at 5 State Capitol newsroom reporter Chris Bungard hearing from the bill's sponsor, who feels confident this will pass.
Abortion remains one of the most controversial issues confronting lawmakers at any level, including here at the state capitol.
We've got an outside group, Liberty Counsel, that has agreed to defend this at no cost to the state of Tennessee.
Wilson County Republican Senator Mark Pody hopes he has calmed costly lawsuit fears about what is called the Fetal Heartbeat Bill. The Liberty Counsel is an organization that supports Christian religious issues.
They're going to take it, and they're willing to defend it all the way up to the Supreme Court if necessary.
Originally, the measure would have banned abortion when a fetal heartbeat is detected, but Senator Pody has an amendment, making that a secondary confirmation of pregnancy. His amended bill bans abortion when traditional medical tests say there is a pregnancy, but Pody says his version of the fetal heartbeat bill is more lawsuit resistant than what recently passed in the Tennessee House.
So the way that we have our amendment, we believe that we are going to be able to address those issues as well as be successful in court challenge.
Pody's task now is to convince other lawmakers who make up the supermajority in the Senate here. Reporting from the state capitol, Chris Bungard.
Now, if the fetal heartbeat bill were to pass the Senate, its differences would have to be ironed out in what is called a conference committee. We'll continue to follow this bill and let you know what happens next.